This isn't fitness. This isn't healthy. I'm allowed to say that because it's me. When I was a teenager, I wanted to be a fitness model. I saw the dudes in magazines with chiseled six-packs. Ah, the dream. And I knew that being shredded would help me with my cripplingly low self-esteem. I was wrong. So I lifted weights and starved my way to a low single-digit body fat percentage. Here is what I learned. Being really, really lean fucking sucks. I was exhausted all the time, consuming enough caffeine to resurrect a dead rhino, perpetually hungry, irrespective of how much I ate. My libido vanished, I felt like dog shit. Strangely though, the compliments flowed in. Fellow gym bros telling me how shredded I was. People aspired to have my physique, even though I would get out of breath jogging up the stairs and I was so dehydrated I once got cramp in my lat when I wiped my ass. Not exactly the pinnacle of health, you know? For me, getting my body fat percentage from here to here is fine. But going lower is when my physical health drops like a bag of shit being thrown off a building. And all of this taught me how fucked up a lot of the fitness industry is. Role models often aren't the healthiest or fittest of people. They are the leanest or the most muscular. And that's kind of a problem. Teenagers like myself idolizing fitness models in magazines, not realizing how unhealthy that endeavor tends to be. And fitness models only posting their most shredded photos because that's what's good for business. Cue the never-ending cycle of fucked up body image expectations and people sacrificing their health for aesthetics. That's why my social media feeds don't revolve around photos of myself anymore, because although it's good for the algorithm, I don't think it's helpful for you. So here is the deal, in case you're unsure. Obviously, I have no issues with people dieting to low levels of body fat, but I would fucking love it if fitness models and bodybuilders were more transparent about the dark side of what's actually involved, so you can be more informed should you decide to go down that path. I would love it if they didn't only post their most shredded photos to social media, distorting people's body image expectations, especially when they're all photoshopped to fuck. I would love it if we could stop pretending that being shredded to the bone was the epitome of fitness. Because honestly, I think our industry is doing a fucking terrible job of conveying what health and fitness actually look like.